Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I am going to show you a super useful trick: how to create visual web links, also called web bookmarks, as bookmarks inside Notion. If you've ever wanted your Notion pages to have clickable links that look sleek and show a preview of the website you're saving, then stick with me. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your Notion workspace more interactive and visually appealing just by adding these smart web bookmarks. Let's jump right in. First, you need the web URL you want to save. This could be absolutely any website. Maybe it's an article you want to reference later, a YouTube video for inspiration, or a simple homepage like Wikipedia. You can either type out the URL directly if you have it memorized, or for most cases, it's a lot quicker just to copy and paste the web address. For example, let's say I want to save a link to Wikipedia. I'd go to my browser, copy www.wikipedia.com, and be ready to move over to Notion. Now, in your Notion page, you're going to trigger the web bookmark feature. Start by typing a / just like this. As you type, Notion will pop up a helpful menu of options. In that menu, start typing web bookmark, either together or bit by bit, and you'll see web bookmark appear in the list. Click it or hit enter, and Notion will prompt you to add a URL. This part's important. The web bookmark block isn't just a regular link. When you add your URL, let's use www.wikipedia.com for our example, Notion instantly pulls in a preview. That means you'll see the site's title, a little thumbnail image if one's available, and a description, all wrapped up in a stylish, clickable card. It's much friendlier than a plain blue hyperlink because, at a glance, you and anyone visiting your page can tell exactly where that link leads. It's like giving the website its own little business card inside Notion. To actually add the link, just paste your URL into the space provided. Notion might take a few seconds to fetch the preview, especially if the website is busy or your internet connection is slow, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. You'll see the block transform from a blank area into that preview card, and once it's there, you can click it anytime to jump directly to the website. It's really that simple. If you're organizing your research, saving resources for a team project, or just creating a dashboard of your favorite blog posts, these visual bookmarks help keep everything both tidy and easy to navigate. And if the preview looks off or doesn't load perfectly, just double-check that you've pasted the correct URL. Sometimes a missing HTTPS/ or a typo can trip things up. So, to recap, grab the URL you want, type /web bookmark in your Notion page, paste the link, and let Notion do the rest. Once you have a few bookmarks, your Notion space starts to look and feel way more dynamic and useful. That's it for this guide. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered next. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow Notion tutorials and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.